This is the output of full wave rectifier. Now we will add our capacitor. After adding the capacitor, it transformed to DC voltage equals 19 volt. But I need make my 5 volt DC power supply. What should I do? Let's see. Regulator. A voltage regulator is a component of the power supply unit that ensures a steady constant voltage supply through all operational conditions. Regulator pinout. Here is the regulator 7805 pinout. Pin 1 is input, pin 2 is ground, and pin 3 is output. How to connect it in your circuit. As you see, the input pin 1 is connected to the positive input voltage. Pin 2 is connected to the negative terminal. Output pin 3 connected to the positive output voltage terminal. Now let's see how I made my own 5 volt DC power supply. Components. Here are full wave rectifier to transfer the sine wave to unidirection wave. This is the transformer to reduce the 220 volt AC to 12 volt AC. Here is the capacitor to transform the unidirection wave to constant 19 DC volt. Finally, we add our regulator to reduce the DC voltage from 18 volt to 5 volt DC. Circuit connections. We will use transformer to reduce the voltage from 220 volt AC to 12 volt AC. Now we will connect the 4 diodes in the same directions in video. After that, we will connect the capacitor as you see in video. Now connect 7805 regulator as you see in video. Here is our circuit after connecting it. Now it is ready to see the output if it will be 5 volt DC. Here is the regulator input and output. The input is the blue channel 2. As you see, it is 18 volt DC. The regulator output is the yellow channel 1 is 5 volt DC.